Welcome to GoGuardian's Tip Tuesday. I'm Milan, and I'll be your host for today. We're back! After a long hibernation, we want to share a fun way to use gamification to get your students engaged in your classroom. Escape rooms. Escape rooms are a worldwide phenomenon, with adults and kids engaging in them for social activities, birthday parties, and team-building exercises. Because classrooms don't have the advantage of sophisticated set designs of typical escape rooms, teachers can get creative with what they have, and most importantly, on a budget. To make it easy, we've designed an entire escape room around the Halloween theme, along with pre-written clues, downloadable printouts to use in your escape room, and detailed instructions on how to execute the plan. The goal of an escape room is for players to solve a series of puzzles that gets them out of a room within a set time limit. But besides being fun, how does an escape room supplement your students' education plan? By using gamified learning in an escape room setting, students can learn teamwork, problem solving and pattern following, communication within a group, critical thinking skills, and thinking outside the box. Now, let the games begin. Welcome to GoGuardian's Halloween Escape Room. A crew of Wally Pals need to solve 6 puzzles that culminate in one final challenge to escape the room before Count Noodle can sink her fangs into them. The key to implementing an escape room is to pick a theme, gather supplies, including decorations and props, create interesting and challenging clues for your puzzles, and find creative ways to place your puzzles and set up your escape room. And since we're in an educational environment, our clues are academic, so that students can employ different subjects to help them escape. Click the link in the description below to download our Escape Room e-kit and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Goodbye for now.